Bonjour mes étudiants. Aujourd'hui, nous avons la composition simple. We have the topic simple composition. The simple composition. Topic. Ce qu'on fait aujourd'hui. Ce qu'on fait aujourd'hui. What I do daily. What I do every day. This is the composition we are looking at. Now, on peut utiliser les expressions comme chaque jour ou habituellement. One can use any of these expressions in starting the composition. Like chaque jour, which means each day or every day. Or habituellement, meaning what? Habitually. You know, when you talk of the word habitually, it means what is in your habit, what you do each day, every time. Now, for us to have a composition on this, we start with the expression chaque jour, which means each day. Chaque jour, je lève à 5 heures du matin. Each day, I wake up by 5 o'clock in the morning. Of course, you know what we mean by matin, meaning in the morning. And for you to write this composition very well, you must know your time in French. We have learnt about time in French. You say, je lève à 5 heures, depending on the time you wake up. Now you say, chaque jour, each day, je lève à 5 heures du matin. I wake up by 5 o'clock in the morning. Je fais mon prière. I say my prayer. Je fais mon lit. I make my bed. Je brosse mes dents. I brush my teeth. Et je balaye ma chambre. I sweep my bedroom. Et mon salon. And my parlor. À 6 heures, by 6 o'clock, je prépare mon petit déjeuner. I prepare my breakfast. Breakfast in French is what? Petit déjeuner. Petit déjeuner. Je prépare mon petit déjeuner. À 6h30, by 6:30, je prends mon bain. By 6:30, I take my bath. Et je m'habille dans mon uniforme d'école. And I dress in my school uniform. Mon uniforme d'école, meaning what? My school uniform. Et à 7:10, by 7:10 or 10 minutes past 7, for you to be able to write this composition very well, you must know your time in French, how to write about the time. You see, whatever you're doing each day, you know, you do it with time. So you must know how to express yourself with time in French. Et à 7h10, by 10 minutes past 7, je prends mon petit déjeuner. I take my breakfast. Et à 7h30, and by 7:30, je vais à l'école. I go to school. Now, quand je rentre à la maison, this one is when you are back from school. You know, you're talking about what you do every day. So, you go to school by 7:30. Then, when you come back to the house, quand je rentre à la maison, je prends mon déjeuner. When I come back to the house, I take my lunch. Et je fais ma sieste. I take my siesta. À 3h de l'après-midi, by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, je lève et je lave mon uniforme d'école. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I wake up. Then I wash my school uniform. Je lave mes assiettes, I wash my plates, et je fais mes devoirs. And I do my homework. À 4h10, by 10 minutes past 4, je regarde le film. I watch film ou je joue avec l'ordinateur or I play with the computer. You know, at your leisure time, you have many things you do. You can say, je joue le football. It's also correct. So, ordinateur, you know, ordinateur means computer. You have many things you can do at your leisure time, but these are the ones we can use. For example, je regarde le film, I watch film, I play with the computer, je joue le football, I play football, and many other things. À 5h20, by 5 o'clock, no, 5:20, that is 20 minutes past 5, je prépare mon dîner. I prepare my dinner. Je prends mon dîner and I eat my dinner. À 7h du soir, by 7 o'clock in the evening. Après mon dîner, after my dinner, je regarde la télévision. I watch the television. Vers 9h till 9 o'clock. Et je couche à 9h20 and I sleep by 9:20. So, with this example, you have done a very good job by telling somebody what you do every day in French. Like I said before you can make a very nice composition, you must first of all know your time, because with time you will know when you say you do this or you do that. So that is a very good example of composition on what I do every day, and I've given you the expressions you can use when starting your composition. You can use with chaque jour or habituellement, like I used chaque jour. If I don't want, I can say habituellement, habitually. So that is where we are going to end it for today. Au revoir mes étudiants.